Alright everyone, hello, welcome to today's new particular video. I had completed the production of this particular project for Hatsune Miku, the limited color edition of the Bandai figure, which is a bust, as you can see here. This had roughly taken me an estimate of at least a duration of half an hour to finishing this. And it's much like a Gundam model where you have to piece together and you clip apart these little pieces here and you have to assemble them together following, you know, the little manual of instructions, as you can see right here. And this is a finished design. I absolutely love this so much. I'm a huge fan of Vocaloid artists in general and of Japanese culture. And this is incredible. I have to fix this part. Yes, this is absolutely amazing and incredible here. I love this little thing. So the details are incredible. I love this thing so very much, and there's so much detail and so much graphic to this thing here, this little figurine. And I'm proud to announce that this special limited edition figurine is now in my possession and going to be featured at our new home, which will be relatively soon enough, and be featured on top of our lovely little shelves. And this is going to be intense. I love this thing already. Look at this. Blood, sweat, and tears of creating this. It's amazing. And it's been a while since I've put together a Gundam model. This is the exact same style in which you would like the time frame and everything involved, the time, energy, and your patience. It's a place of meditation. You travel in your consciousness while creating, piecing together, assembling together, whatever you want to call it, of these models. And it's a model kit for a reason. So I love this thing so much. That is amazing. So, my name is Cody Gremlin. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. And appreciate you watching. And hope to see you next time.